Alright. We'll see.
It went a lot easier after that.
Yeah, it chose the knife ended up choosing a side. That's why I got a lot easier. Now I'm not cutting through the spine anymore. That's alright. Step back just in case it kicks a little bit. His tail was wagging. You can see right here I got off a little bit. Why I got so easy. But that's alright, we'll only do with what I got. What should have happened, you can see right here the sciatic nerve. It's running down, and then it kind of chose the side, and I'm on top of the spine right now. But the sciatic nerve, it's basically the spinal cord. It runs all the way down. Right in here. So if I had done this just perfectly, what usually you do, you hang this, and you just take a big old bandsaw right down the middle, a little easier to do that. You would have seen the sciatic nerve all the way down. It's alright, we'll live. With the tail.
His tail's
It's
wagging.
gonna look painful if they don't watch. Alright, so now you can get a much better view of what we're looking at. Okay, so from the outside, picnic shoulder, right in here. The picnic shoulder, this guy right here. Boss and butt, which is going to be up behind the ribs here. Your loin, belly. Okay, this would be bacon. Obviously, we're not going to get much bacon off a young pig. That's your belly right here. With a little bit of the flank meat left on there. And this is the belly where you would get bacon from. Spare ribs right back here. This is the St. Louis cut. And then up under this curve right here, that's your baby backs. Baby back ribs. Okay. Tenderloin right in here. Okay, the loin is this whole section back here where I get chops. This would be your section in New York steaks. Get little T-bones and porterhouses off of here if this was a cow. And then the back here,